a context of a avatar because it's different than using your camera. Let's take a look at how that shows up here. Avatars in Microsoft Teams. So we've got a avatar. I can hold up my device, but it doesn't see my device because it's not using a camera. Let's go ahead and flip on our camera. And then we can see my other Alogi trackball. You can see this is more of an ergonomic style. So my thumb sits on the trackball. I've got a right and a left mouse button and then a scroll wheel in between, as well as two, I believe these are programmable buttons here on the top. So this is the one I use most of the time. It's got a unifying controller. And then I'm also using my Alogi Zone True Wireless earbuds. And we're also plugged into, from this morning, our Alogi dock. Which cord was that just dropped? That looks like it might be from my, yep, this is from my which one is this? This is not from my Logi camera, right? Nope. So we need to get that one here. And then we've got plenty of ports on the back, including plenty of USB-C ports. So if we attach through to one of the USB-C ports here, we can put our Logitech Brio 505 in Microsoft Teams as well. So let's share our screen so we can see setting this thing up. Go to our settings, device settings. You'll notice that this also shows a white background here. And then there's our Brio 505. And so this gives me that camera that's more of a tilt capable. And so it's possible to frame things a little differently if I choose. Got my Windows 11 shirt on today instead of my Logitech Polo. And what else do we need to do? So we've got our Brio 505. We're on our Zone True Wireless. Let's show you the setup of that in Logitune. So here we've got Logitech's Tune application. I've just gone ahead and paired my Logidock, my Brio 505, and then it looks like I've got an update available for the Zone True Wireless headset. And what else? We've looked at the Zone earbuds, and we've looked at the trackpad this morning. We also looked at the Logitech Spotlight. This is paired with my computer, so you'll notice that as I move this around, you can see on my screen. Let's make our mouse bigger. Mouse settings. Mouse pointer speed is fine. Mouse pointer size is what I want to find. I want to say I found this in the, there we go, mouse pointer. I found this in the modern interface. It's almost a comical large mouse pointer. But the nice thing about that comically large mouse pointer is I can use that with the Logitech Spotlight. and you become aware of how I'm moving it around. For the pointer, the nice thing is the top of the pointer, the arrow, is actually where I'm clicking. So if I'm trying to minimize stuff, I can just go to where the pointer at the top is, and then I'm at the point where I can minimize different applications. I can come down here, get into PowerPoint, go to my first slide. I could add in some text. We did this morning with our Surface Pen. So if I grab the pen and I say Logi Doc, and then I use the lasso effect. Under the draw menu, I can say ink to text. And now we have that as text instead of the ink that I used. And I could then go and make that text and a different color so it's easily seen. Put in my information here. Put in my YouTube channel. I have two. I have Tech Thursday, which isn't what we're using today. We're using my YouTube for Microsoft Speakers Club. And that one, I believe, is youtube.com/@MSFT speakers. Nope. Let's see if it's Microsoft Speakers. Always fun trying to remember what you called these things. There we go. So we've got that. Put that in here. And we'll do a paste without special characters to get it in there. Make everything a little bigger. Need to make my field bigger here. Here we're getting a firsthand demo of what this really large, comically large mouse pointer looks like in working with it. And we can go here and make this long enough. Resize it. Oops, let's do that. Then resize. We're keep on grabbing the wrong box. There we go. Okay. So we've got that resized. We can go in full screen, use our Logitech presenter to go to the second. That's before I updated my dock. Got a blank slide here on slide 3. So with slide 3, we can come in here and then go back to our Logi settings. Are you done? Cool. Get a screenshot of that. Make that slide 3. And there we go. Okay. So that is a little bit about avatars in Microsoft Teams. Let's turn off our camera. See if we can return with a avatar. I'll use the other one that I built. A little heavier build or beard and bald as this avatar. And then we looked at the Logitech trackball, the Logi earbuds, the Logi 505. Let's see if it comes in here or not. It's thinking about it. I don't see my avatar though. See if my avatar is going to come up. Try it one more time here. Come on, avatar. You can do it. See what the live stream looks like. Live stream is still catching up, it looks like. I'm still waiting on that avatar, so let's do this. We'll do the camera. We'll do the front-facing camera here. Your settings, device settings. We'll do the surface camera. And then with the surface camera, I can show you what the Logi 505 actually looks like. So this would mount to my laptop, and then the camera itself has the ability to point down or point across. And then also swivel. So if it's on a side mounted monitor or location, I can obviously make some adjustments with the clip. And then I can make adjustments down by moving this up to actually show what's in front of my computer, maybe below it, a phone, keyboard, my trackpad that I keep on, or my trackball that I keep on picking up from Logi. And this camera is really, really nice in those ways. So that's a little bit about the gear that we've been testing this Tech Thursday. Join us next Tip Tuesday. We'll be talking, I'm sure, about all the latest things with Microsoft Teams next Tuesday. Don't miss us. And Friday, we're going to be, Frank is doing a extra special Azure and AI show at, I believe it's 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. Central. I'll have to double check the time again with him. But please join us in the afternoon in the US or the evening in the UK to celebrate St. Patrick's Day and Azure, as well as artificial intelligence. And with that, we'll go ahead